Fire. We think that these kind of things are never going to happen, but unfortunately they do. In order to avoid tragedies, we need to protect our buildings to prevent fire from going from spark to disaster. One of the major products of concern are textiles. They burn quickly and easily spread fire, hence we need protection. For a long time, most fire retardant additives used in the market have not been questioned because they work rather well. However, many of them have a dark side. They are toxic both to humans and to the environment, and this is bad. We need safer flame retardant additives that are human-friendly, non-toxic, and safe for the environment. The European Union will ban most toxic products to protect its citizens, but at the same time, we need solutions to be safe. In order to address this, AEI Textiles started the LIFE-FLAREX project with the aim to demonstrate that safer additives are possible now and to support companies making the transition to safer products. AEI Textiles partnered with other innovation clusters across Europe, Adeval, Pointex and Clutex, and with top research institutions, Leitat, Centexpel and the Institute of Advanced Chemistry of Catalonia. Research institutions are assessing alternative products in terms of technical performance, sustainability and human safety, whereas clusters are engaging the industry to raise awareness and consciousness. This cluster-driven initiative is key in bridging the gap of innovation to industry to enable a safer and greener future. With the contribution of the LIFE program of the European Union.